I always thought crafting a resume was like taking a financial exam. Stressful, confusing, and guaranteed to make you question your entire career path. Especially when it comes to accounting resumes, the pressure to showcase your meticulous skills and experience in a way that lands that dream job can feel overwhelming. But wait, before you banish your resume to the deepest corner of your computer, keep reading. I wrote this guide to be your friendly neighborhood accounting resume guru. I'll show you how to transform your resume from a blank slate of anxiety into a powerful tool that gets you noticed by the right hiring managers. So, what makes a strong accounting resume? Crafting a strong accounting resume is vital in the competitive job market. Here's what constitutes a standout accounting resume. First off, targeted content. It is crucial to adjust your resume to each job description. Analyze the job posting carefully and incorporate relevant keywords and skills throughout your resume. Highlight your proficiency with specific software or regulations mentioned in the posting. For instance, if the job requires expertise in GAAP or Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, emphasize your experience with GAAP compliance in your summary or skills section. Next up, formatting for readability. The format of your resume should be clean, professional, and easy to read. Choose a simple font like Arial or Calibri, and maintain consistent margins and spacing. Use bullet points to present information under each job role or accomplishment. Remember, recruiters often skim through resumes quickly, so make it easy for them to find key details. And let's not forget quantifiable achievements. Numbers can significantly enhance your resume's impact. Wherever possible, quantify your achievements. For example, mention how you reduced month-end closing times by 20% through process improvements. Quantifying achievements improves your capabilities and sets you apart from other candidates. Now, let's talk about action verbs. Use action verbs to describe your responsibilities and accomplishments. Instead of saying, handled accounts receivable, opt for stronger verbs like managed, reconciled, or optimized. Action verbs convey a sense of proactivity and demonstrate your ability to take charge in various accounting functions. When describing your work experience, it's essential to be detailed. Describe your roles and responsibilities. Showcase your financial analysis, budgeting, auditing, or tax preparation expertise. For example, mention your experience in conducting internal audits to ensure compliance with company policies and external regulations. Your educational background and any relevant certifications should be prominently included on your resume. If you're a CPA or have completed coursework in advanced accounting topics, highlight these credentials. They add credibility to your qualifications. In addition to technical skills, emphasize soft skills such as attention to detail, problem-solving, and communication. Accounting roles often require collaboration with teams and clients, so highlighting your interpersonal abilities can be a significant advantage. Also, mention any professional development courses, workshops, or affiliations with accounting organizations. This demonstrates your commitment to staying updated with industry trends and further developing your skills. Finally, proofread your resume meticulously to ensure accuracy and correctness. Spelling or grammatical errors can leave a negative impression. Use tools like Grammarly to catch any overlooked mistakes. Now, let's tackle the age-old question: should your accounting resume be 1 page or 2? While there's no definitive answer, understanding the factors at play empowers you to make a strategic decision. A 1-page resume has a certain elegance and efficiency. It forces you to prioritize your skills and experience, highlighting only the most relevant and impactful aspects. This conciseness is particularly beneficial for entry-level and junior accountants. With a limited professional history, a 1-page resume ensures you focus on core qualifications and academic achievements, making your resume clear and impactful. Moreover, applicant tracking systems, or ATS, often favor 1-page resumes. For efficient scanning. A streamlined document reduces the risk of important information being overlooked by the system. Plus, recruiters and hiring managers are often inundated with applications, so a concise one-page resume increases their chances of quickly grasping your value proposition. But what about 2 pages? While a one-page resume shines for many, there are situations where a 2-page approach might be warranted. For seasoned accountants with extensive experience, a rich career history filled with diverse accomplishments can be challenging to condense into a single page. A 2-page format allows you to showcase your depth of knowledge and breadth of experience across different industries or accounting specialties. Highly specialized roles may also require a specific skill set or experience with complex software. A 2-page resume affords space to meticulously detail these specialized capabilities, demonstrating your qualifications for the role's unique demands. And let's not forget leadership roles. If you've held leadership positions with a proven track record of managing teams and projects, using a second page to elaborate on these leadership skills and achievements can be valuable. Now, let's dive into crafting a compelling accounting resume summary or objective statement. This requires strategic thought and precise language to effectively highlight your skills, experience, and career aspirations. A resume summary provides a brief overview of your professional background, emphasizing key achievements and skills relevant to the accounting role you are targeting. It typically consists of 2 to 3 concise sentences that capture your qualifications succinctly. For instance, detail-oriented CPA with over 5 years of experience in financial reporting and analysis, proven track record of streamlining processes and reducing costs. On the other hand, an objective statement is ideal if you are just starting your accounting career or changing industries. It focuses on your aim in the role and how your skills align with the organization's needs. Here's an example. Recent graduate with a degree in accounting seeking an entry-level position to apply knowledge of financial principles and gain practical experience in a dynamic corporate environment. In crafting either a summary or an objective statement, consider the following key elements: relevant skills and qualifications, quantifiable achievements, industry knowledge, career goals, adaptability and team collaboration, and language proficiency if applicable. For example, a well-crafted summary might read, Results-driven certified public accountant, CPA, with 7+ years of progressive experience in financial management and analysis, expertise in financial reporting, budgeting, and process improvement, led a team to achieve a 15% reduction in operating expenses through strategic cost-cutting initiatives, seeking to leverage proven skills in a senior accounting role at a reputable organization. An objective statement could look like, aspiring accounting professional with a bachelor's degree in finance and a solid foundation in financial analysis and reporting, eager to apply academic knowledge in a corporate setting and contribute to a finance team's success. What sections should your accounting resume include? When crafting an effective accounting resume, it's essential to include specific sections that highlight your skills, experiences, and qualifications in a clear and organized manner. Start with your contact information, prominently displayed at the top of your resume. Include your full name, phone number, email address, and location. This section ensures that potential employers can easily contact you for further communication. Next, follow with a resume summary or objective. This brief statement provides a snapshot of your professional background, highlighting key skills, experiences, and career goals. Use this space to grab the employer's attention and showcase what you bring. Your professional experience section is crucial for showcasing your accounting expertise. List your work history chronologically, starting with your most recent job. Include the job title, company name, location, and dates of employment for each position. Describe your responsibilities and achievements using action verbs and quantify your accomplishments where possible. The skills section allows you to highlight your technical and soft skills relevant to accounting. Include proficiency in accounting software, financial analysis, budgeting, auditing, tax preparation, and any other relevant skills such as attention to detail, problem-solving, and communication abilities. Detail your educational background, starting with your most recent degree. Include the institution's name, degree obtained, major, graduation date, and any academic honors or relevant coursework. This section is particularly important for demonstrating your qualifications if you're a recent graduate or entry-level candidate. If you hold any relevant certifications or licenses, create a separate section highlighting these credentials. Include the certification name, issuing organization, and dates obtained. Certifications demonstrate your commitment to professional development and can enhance your credibility as an accounting professional. List any professional organizations or associations you belong to within the accounting or finance field. This could include memberships in the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, Institute of Management Accountants, or other industry-specific groups. Active involvement in professional associations showcases your dedication to networking and staying informed about industry trends. Depending on your background and achievements, you may include additional sections such as awards and honors, publications, volunteer experience, or languages. While including references on your resume is unnecessary, you can mention that references are available upon request. Be prepared to provide contact information for professional references who can speak to your qualifications and work ethic. How should you structure your work experience section? This section provides potential employers insight into your previous roles and responsibilities, demonstrating your suitability for the position you're applying for. Here's a detailed guide on how to structure your work experience section. Begin with a clear header for this section, typically titled Work Experience or Professional Experience. This title should be bold and possibly in a slightly larger font size to make it stand out. List your work experience in reverse chronological order, starting with your most recent or current position. This format allows employers to see your most recent and relevant experience first, which is typically more impactful. Start each entry with your job title. This should be the official title you held in the organization. Use a bold or slightly larger font to make this information prominent. After the job title, include the name of the company or organization where you worked, followed by the location. Include the dates you were employed at each organization using a consistent format. Provide a concise yet detailed description of your roles and responsibilities in each position. Use bullet points to list your key duties and accomplishments. Begin each bullet point with action verbs to demonstrate your proactive approach. Quantify your achievements with specific numbers or percentages. Focus on highlighting your most significant contributions and achievements in each role. Tailor your descriptions to emphasize skills and experiences relevant to the accounting position you're applying for. Showcase how your work positively impacted the organization. Employers are interested in results, so emphasize achievements demonstrating your ability to add value and drive success. Maintain consistency in formatting throughout your work experience section. Use the same style of bullet points, fonts, and spacing to ensure a clean and professional appearance. Now, let's move on to additional tips that can help your accounting resume shine. To make your accounting resume stand out, consider incorporating these additional tips. Quantify your achievements. Use numbers and percentages to quantify your accomplishments wherever possible. Highlight relevant technical skills, showcasing your proficiency in accounting software. Showcase continuing education and certifications. Highlight any additional certifications, workshops, or professional development courses relevant to accounting. Modify your resume for each job application. Customize your resume for each accounting job you apply to. Include relevant projects or case studies that demonstrate your accounting skills and problem-solving abilities. Use a professional format and design. Opt for a clean, professional layout for your resume. A well-organized and visually appealing resume is more likely to capture the attention of hiring managers. Demonstrate attention to detail. Ensure your resume is error-free and meticulously formatted. Emphasize problem-solving skills. Highlight your ability to solve complex problems and address challenges in your previous roles. Showcase communication skills, demonstrating your ability to convey information clearly and professionally. Highlight teamwork and collaboration by sharing examples of how you collaborated with others, to achieve common goals. Quantify your soft skills by providing specific examples of how you've applied these skills in your work. Seek feedback and iterate on your resume before finalizing it. Constructive feedback can help you refine your resume and make it more compelling. As we wrap up, let's go over some frequently asked questions. What should be included in the contact information section? Your contact information should be complete and up to date. Include your full name, phone number, professional email address, and LinkedIn profile. How do I structure my resume to highlight my accounting skills? Structure your resume with a clear summary or objective statement at the top, followed by a skills section highlighting relevant accounting skills. Should I include a career objective or summary statement? Yes. Include a career objective or summary statement to introduce yourself and highlight your career goals and relevant skills. How do I showcase my accomplishments effectively? Quantify your accomplishments with numbers and statistics where possible, and use action verbs to start your bullet points. Should I include my CPA designation on my resume? Absolutely. Prominently include your CPA designation as it carries weight in accounting. How should I list my work experience? List your work experience in reverse chronological order, including the company's name, your job title, employment dates, and a brief description of your responsibilities and accomplishments. Is it important to include relevant accounting software skills? Yes. Highlight your proficiency with accounting software, as employers often look for candidates who can use these tools efficiently. Should I include extracurricular activities or volunteer work? Yes. Including relevant extracurricular activities or volunteer work can be beneficial, especially if they demonstrate leadership or teamwork. How do I handle a gap in my employment history? Be honest about any gaps and focus on the skills and experiences gained during that time. Should I customize my resume for each job application? Yes. Customize your resume for each job application by tailoring your skills and experiences to match the specific requirements of the job description. All right, superstars. We've covered all the essentials for building a killer accounting resume. You've learned the secrets to crafting a captivating summary, structuring your experience like a pro, and adding finishing touches that shine your resume. With this newfound knowledge, you're on your way to landing that dream accounting job. Remember, your resume is your first impression, so make it count. Polish it, personalize it, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You are an accounting rock star, and now you have the resume to prove it.